Hi everybody, welcome to week 5 of our remote learning. We are still in unit 5, but unit 5 is a very big unit because what we've pretty much done is we've put 2 chapters into one. We put the qualitative chapter where we said, okay, well, what is a force? How do the forces interact? But now that we know how the forces interact, now it's time to look at what motion does it cause? So this is really the quantitative portion of this overall bigger picture. So that's what you're going to be doing this week is really kind of getting down into the nitty-gritty of the quantitative, looking at a new law, looking at a new equation, and then how that new equation really brings together everything that we've done from Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, and rolling into Unit 5. So you should see a connection between what we've done before and where we're going. Now, to start off the week, you do have Monday to finish off your Rube Goldberg machine. I am very excited to see the machines that you guys created. Don't forget that your directions and expectations were originally posted to last week, but I did give you the link in this week as well. Now, do notice that Monday is the last class day that I'm giving you to work on the project, but it's not going to be due until Tuesday at midnight. However, on Tuesday, you will have a kind of a mini discovery lab to work through. It is a simulation, so this is most likely going to be a fairly quick simulation for you to get through, but it does still have the same expectations as always. You're going to have an essential question, run the lab, get your independent, dependent variable data, graph it in Excel, form the model. So all of that can be found here. And I would like you to complete this by midnight tonight. So as you're looking at the week, make sure that you do kind of look at those deadlines because, and the reason why I have this at midnight is when we do the Wednesday activity, which is the big picture, you have to have done the lab before looking at the big picture, or you're not going to understand any of my references or really why we got what we got. So we're still following the same pattern, the same format as we always have done in class. So make sure that you do your lab first, then you do the big picture. Now, in the event that something happens Tuesday and you can't do your stuff on Tuesday, well, then make sure that on Wednesday, you're still doing the lab first and then doing the big picture. Don't kind of bounce back and forth. So like I said, Wednesday is the big picture. One thing to note is that the video is not going to be posted to Classroom until Wednesday morning because I want you doing the lab first. But in the event that that doesn't work with your schedule, please just send me an email and then we can figure something out if necessary. But that's going to kind of be the schedule with this. So on Wednesday, you will get the big picture notes. The example problems are here, and then you do have a worksheet to go through. It's 5 problems, but we all know that in physics, 5 problems have 3-4 pieces, so it ends up being a little bit more than just 5. But all of those pieces do kind of link together, so it's kind of just like adding another step of the problem that you've already solved mostly so far. But there are the 5 problems there. You will have then Thursday to work on those problems in the event that you didn't finish it. Now, on Thursday, you will start by finishing the problems, but you do have 2 interactive problems. One that is going to require you to build something. So on Thursday, you will have those 2 pieces. Don't forget that the 2 pieces are there. And then like always on Friday, whatever you didn't finish during the week or the Monday through Thursday, you do have Friday to finish up. I am anticipating that these 2 interactive problems will most likely take you into that Friday date. So if you have any questions, let me know. I am hoping that you like this week a little bit more than the week before. Sometimes when you do the free body diagrams, they eventually can get a little dry. So hopefully this week, having the lab and the application will bring Newton's laws and forces a little bit more to life. All right, talk soon.